Now, this is a question number 9 of exercise 1.2. Question is that f is a function defined from natural number to natural number such that fx equals to fn equals to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd and fn equals to n by 2 if n is even. If n is even. Now, see the solution for 1 if n is any number which belongs to natural number. Okay, so let us see one example that f1 we are finding. Now here 1 is a odd number, so we will use the first case, n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd. Okay, so if n is odd, then we are taking n plus 1 by 2. So 1 is a odd number, so we will use this condition, 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 2 by 2 will be equals to 1. And 2, it is a even number, so for even number function is defined as n by 2, so we will use this formula. So 2 by 2, that is also equals to 1. Now see that we have taken two different number 1 and 2 from the domain. Okay, 1 is not equals to 2, but what we are getting that f1 equals to f2, both are equals to 1. So in codomain we are getting the same image of two different elements of domain. So this is not the definition of 1 What is the definition for 1 For every different element of domain, there must be a different image in codomain. Okay, unique image in codomain. So we are not getting unique images here. Here we are getting 1 in both cases. So this function is not 1 because we are not getting the same image of in both cases. Now for onto, there are two cases. Function is defined in two ways. One is for when n is odd and another is when n is even. So we are taking first case when n is odd. So if n is odd, so as we know, any odd number can be represented in the form of 2a plus 1. Here a is any natural number because we have to take domain and codomain both from natural numbers. Function is defined n to n. So what is the function? Fn. Let fn is equals to y, where y should also be a natural number because function is defined from n to n. Now n we have taken as in the form of odd, so it will be 2a plus 1. In the case of odd, we have to take n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so fn will be equals to n plus 1 by 2. Now put the value of n which we have taken as an odd number, so it will be equals to 2a plus 1 plus 1. Now finally it will be 2a plus 2. When we take 2 common, we will get 2a plus 1 by 2, that is 2a 2 will cancel out, and what we will get, y equals to a plus 1. A we have taken as natural number, hence a plus 1 will also be a natural number. So what we have proved, for any natural number we are taking, because here we have not taken any number, we have taken a general number, okay, a variable to representing a natural numbers. So for that also we are getting a natural number in domain. For any codomain natural number which is in the form of odd, okay, we are getting an odd number in the domain. So for case first, when n is an odd number, we can surely say that this function will be a onto function. Let us check for even number also. Now the second case, when n is even. So for n is even, as we know, a even number can be written in the form of 2a, where a belongs to natural numbers. So for even, the function is defined as n by 2. So put the value of n, 2a, over here 2a by 2. So what we are getting? A we have taken as natural number. It means y is a natural number. So we are getting a natural number which is even for any natural number, because a we have taken as any natural number. So we are getting a natural number for any natural number over here. So it means for in case of even also, even numbers, okay, there is a natural number for every codomain natural number. So we have proved for both even and odd cases that there exist natural numbers in the set domain for every element of the codomain. Hence this function is a onto function. We have to also prove that whether this function is bijective or not. So as we know, for bijective function, the function should be 1 1 and onto both, but this function is only onto not 1 1. Hence this cannot be a bijective function. Okay.